Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is me, Dishan Hormuz, and I'm present with another hot crypto project. So today I want to talk about complete VLaunch. So I have already uploaded one video about that, but there is many people comments that we we can't able to connect this website to MetaMask, so they are too much confused about that, so I want to clear that because I'm read out all the comments who want to if you have any issue, so please you can ask me in the comment, and also if you want to discuss with me, then you will be must join my telegram channel. I will be place this link in the description, and make sure please subscribe my channel for more interesting video. So you can see I already told about this project, and I have clarified everything. I also place this link in the description. I just want to give some review about this project, so you can see. First, fully influencer backed multi chain launchpad. So you can see VLaunch provide every person around the global affair chance of investing in tears one project backed by the biggest project or the leader in the world. So you can see, if you look to this one point, you can see here, if you so simple, you can just click on the connect. After that, you simply connect on the MetaMask. Make sure you must be install the MetaMask, because it is too important for that. If you don't install the MetaMask, then you will be not able to connect with your wallet. So after that, you I want to give you my fingerprint to MetaMask. But if you have any issue about how can we create the account of MetaMask, then you can ask me in the comments box. I will be try to make video about that. So you can see I'm directly connect MetaMask with the I directly connect VLaunch with the MetaMask. After that, I'm just waiting for that. And simply, I also told about that how can you install, and what is the process for that, how can we transfer Ethereum to from Binance to MetaMask. I also told clarify you everything in this video. So right now just I'm wait for that, and you can see we have waiting still, and if they connect to MetaMask, then I told about that we are successful, and you can buy this one easy. So we just wait for that. So here, if you look right here, I just want to click on the connect button. So right here, I'm just want to go back, because they have issue. Please send message using MetaMask. Okay, I'm just wait for that, and after that, I told you how can you connect that. So after that, if you just I already told how can you connect, then you will be first of all click on the connect button, and after that you just simply click on the MetaMask, and after that you simply click on the connect. If you click on the connect, and you simply right now you have at the right side corner you can see connect button, and you simply click on that. If you click on that, then your will be connected right here. So right here they just want to welcome to VLaunch. Please sign the message to verify your identity. Okay, I just want to click on that, and after that my MetaMask will connect. You can see success login in successfully. So this is how can you connect the MetaMask with VLaunch, because there's different friends told in the comments I'm not able to connect with MetaMask, so please give me complete detail about that. So I want to upload it very about, because I am always your brothers, and I am always give give you about I'm always give answer about your questions. So right here, if you just click on it, after that you simply buy this one project, and I already told about the previous video. And if you want to transfer Ethereum from other exchange to MetaMask, so this is simply right here I want to open MetaMask. So right here my MetaMask is open, and I'm just going to click on the wallet, and after that I just click on the receive button, and after that I'm simply copy this one address. If I copy this one address, after that I'm just going to Binance, and if you're going to Binance, after that I just wait for this. So you can see I'm just going to click on the Ethereum, and after that just I want to withdraw this one, but right here I just want to first of all click on the wallet, and after that I just want to click on the withdraw button, and after that we just simply wait for that, and after that I just click on the Ethereum. So if I want to click on Ethereum, then I just paste that as I just paste this one, those address who are copy right here from wallet of MetaMask. So I copy this one, paste this address. After that you must be select ERC20 network, because it is too much important. Some people select the wrong network, so they will be not able to gain, they will be not able to recover those money. So you must be select ERC20 network. After that you simply click on confirm how much you want to transfer from Binance to MetaMask, so you will be able to transfer Binance to from Binance to MetaMask. So this is the complete process, and right here I just want to, you will be receive your payment right here in within 5 minutes. And after that you will be also click on the browser, and you can see we launch or connected to MetaMask. Right here you can buy this one token and stack this one token easy. But it is I also told about that, because right here this is simply a staking, but you must be buy this one token first. And how can you buy? I already told in the previous video, and but if you want to more issue about that, so also you can ask me in the comment box. And you have different type of rainmaker and sale ongoing. You just simply click on that or learn more, and you will participate in that. Right here if you click on that, then you will see of 1 days, a 5 hour 45 minute, and you can see also the time is also countdown, and you'll also preparation for that. You don't receive any ticket in lottery, and you have no available allocation token to purchase. So this is how can you participate in that. But right here I didn't receive any tickets, because I already told in the previous video, must be take a ticket. After that you will be able to buy this one token. So I hope you will like this one video and enjoy this one video. But if you have any issue, then please you can ask me in the comments box. I will be try to my best, and I will give you answer perfectly uh, about your question. So this is all about how can we connect VLaunch to MetaMask. So this complete detail about that. I hope you like. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video. And make sure this is not any financial advice. My job is to find and introduce to you guys about a more reliable and trusted project. So always do your own research. If you invest in any project, then you must be in search about this those project. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. This is all recording about the VLaunch. Thanks a lot.